welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do another holiday inspired makeup tutorial using some holiday products that you get at Sephora during this time, some of those gift packages. So I ended up using one of those products as well to create this look. Again, it's a very nice party, casual, but yet very sophisticated and just still has that little bit of glitzy glam look to it. Very simple, very easy look to do, and it looks put together in no time. So if you want to see how I created this look and the products that I used, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to begin by using my NYX Total Control drops here, and this is a primer. You guys know that I love my Smashbox primerizer, but I wanted to try this out because a lot of people said that this was also really good. So I've used this a few times before and I kind of like it, but I'm not too crazy over it. Like, it's not like the primerizer. It does, however, smooth the canvas out. Like, I feel like it's smoothing, but it's not hydrating. Nonetheless, it's still a really good drugstore product if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable. Next up is concealer. I am concealing with my NYX Soft Matte Paint Pot here, or Soft Matte Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. And just with my fingers, I'm gonna go in and apply it underneath my eyes. And also the warmth of your hands helps to melt down the product really nicely, and it just blends so nicely into the skin. With my concealer brush, I'm gonna go in and apply that same concealer right over here where I have some discoloration. This is like a nice peachy concealer, and it doubles as a corrector as well, which is why I really like it. So for my foundation, I am going in with the Dior Backstage foundation, the face and body. This is in the shade 4WO, so the warm olive shade. I love this product. You guys know that I have been using this product religiously, and it is so good. It's just a beautiful finish, lightweight, buildable, and it doesn't move. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with a lightweight concealer. This is the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum. This is in the shade Tatin. And I'm taking my damp beauty blender and going in to blend this out. I'm going to immediately set this with the Urban Decay Velvetizer powder. This is a really finely milled powder, and I'm not going to be baking. I am just going to be taking this on a brush and dusting this underneath my eye. Next, for bronzing, I've been loving this NYX Bright Idea Stick bronzer, and this is in the shade Maui Suntan. It has like a really nice sheen to it. At the same time, it's like a golden toffee colored bronze. It's so pretty. Then you want to take this underneath your jawline, just the normal places where you would just lightly contour or bronze. Without using any extra product, I'm actually taking this down the sides of my nose for a really light nose contour. So for blush, I'm going to stay within the same concept of creams and sticks. So I'm using the Nudies All Over Face color in the shade In the Nude. And it's like this, and I'm gonna do the same thing where I'm actually gonna be applying this to the back of my hand first. Deposit some color. This stuff is pretty pigmented as well. And then I'm using like a stippling brush like this. This is synthetic, this is from Real Techniques. Picking up that color, dispersing it in the back of my hand, sort of like getting rid of the excess, and then applying it to the apples of my cheeks. And this does set on its own, like you don't need to go over it with powder or anything like that. And I love this color because it's just so natural. It gives my cheeks like that little rosy sort of tint without looking too overbearing, because I'm not a big fan of blushes in general, so I really like this. For the highlighter, I actually have a new product that I'm using and I'm super excited, and I'm gonna be pretty much completing that look with this particular product. So let me show you. I am gonna be using this product right here. This is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collaboration. This is called the Becca x Chrissy Cravings Glow Kitchen Kit, and it comes with a highlighter, an eyeshadow, and a full lip mousse, I think that's what they call it. I really like the concept of this eyeshadow because it reminds me of like the Tom Ford eyeshadows where you have the jelly putty sort of consistency of a product here, like it's almost like a cream to powder, and then on top you have your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start off with the highlighter. Oh my gosh, it actually smells like cinnamon. Oh, it reminds me of Cinnabon right now, like so on dessert. So good. So I have it on the back of my hand, just a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. It's alright, it's a very subtle product from what I can see if you go in with the sponge, but it's nice. It's a nice, very subtle, you can see the glow, but it's very natural. I really like it. You do have to build this up if you are a person who likes a little bit more intense of a highlight. So it seems to go onto the skin and then dry, so it sets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this as my primer slash base for the eyes as well, because that's how it's supposed to be used, I suppose. I'm gonna pick it up with my fingers because I just think that's the best way to do this. And I'm gonna go and apply this right all over my lids. So this is what it looks like just by itself. And I'm gonna apply the top coat. I'm taking this really fat brush from Real Techniques. This is called the Deluxe Crease Brush, and I'm going in to the product, just dipping this in. I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelids. Oh wow. Woo. This is a really beautiful bronze shade, and it's really, really pigmented. I'm just taking a clean blending brush and just buffing the harsh edges out. Next, I'm taking my NYX retractable eyeliner, as you guys know, and I'm going to be type lining. I am going to be going in with eyelashes, so this is going to give it a nice base. Next, I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm going to be smudging this eyeliner out. With the same brush, I'm actually picking up the eyeshadow again, and I'm going to go underneath my lash line with this. So I want my eyes to pop a little bit more. I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Pencil. This is in the shade Eldorado, and I'm going to be tightlining my waterline here with this color. Oh, that's so much more better. Alright, so I've gone ahead and applied my eyelashes. I used the Kiss lashes in little black dress. You guys know that that's the one that I use pretty much for an everyday natural look. And I've also applied mascara, which is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara in black. I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I think I want to do something else to the eyes as well. I want to try this, and I'm gonna try and see if I can apply the gel highlighter on top, just to the center, just to make the eyes pop a little bit more. I'm gonna be taking this and just pressing this on the center. Oh yeah, see what a difference it made? It just gave it a little bit more of that pop, a little bit more of that glossy look, a wet kind of a look, and I love that. I'm gonna take a little bit of that eyeshadow and just apply it to the side. Because it's a little bit darker, so it's gonna add a little bit more depth. The eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna move on to the highlight. It comes with a highlighter. It is beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. Becca does great packaging as it is. This is in the shade Cinnamon Sugar. And it seems to me that it's a little bit like on the bronzy, browny, golden side, but it actually looks like cinnamon. I'm gonna try and attempt to put this on. This may be a little too deep for my skin, but we'll see. So again, I'm gonna use a beauty blender to do this. So yeah, it is a little bit more on the bronzy side, For someone who is a little bit deeper than I am, like medium to deep skin tones will do really well with this shade. It is just a little bit darker for me right now, but I believe that if I get a tan in the summertime, which I usually tend to do anyways when I'm out in the sun, it'll actually look really good on my skin. But it is nonetheless a beautiful, beautiful rose gold shade. I'm just using some setting spray. This is the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Okay, moving on to lips. I'm going to be using this lip color that it comes with. It's called, what is this called? It's just called Lip Souffle. It doesn't have a name. I will say this shade reminds me of Anastasia's Ashton liquid lipstick, but that goes all matte, and this is basically just like a regular lip color. It is matte too, but it doesn't set like a liquid lipstick, so it's very comfortable on your lips. And also this smells amazing. All the three products smell so good. I am going to be using this NYX Lingerie Clear Shimmer Coat. This kind of reminds me of the Rihanna Diamond Gloss Bomb that she has. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to mention these earrings again. Like, look how cute they are. They're so adorable. Again, courtesy of my friend Carly from work. She gave me like a bunch of earrings to wear for my Christmas videos because I literally don't have earrings. I don't wear earrings because these ones basically bother me. So I don't really have Christmassy festive earrings, and this is like so cute, and it actually matches my sweater as well, so thanks Carly again. Now that I'm officially done looking like a Christmas tree, I just want to talk a little bit about this product right here. I used this, basically all three, to create this look, as you guys obviously saw. But I wanted to just give a quick mention. This product is actually very, very nice product. It's amazing for what you get. It actually, the price point is actually really good for what you get as well. I think it's about $55 Canadian at Sephora, and you do get, you know, a full-size eyeshadow, and it comes with like a cream highlighter as a base that you can use, or as a highlight for your skin. And then it comes with a powder, loose powder highlight, which is beautiful as well, and a full-size lip souffle. This is a non-drying, it doesn't set, but it is a beautiful, beautiful formulation, and it's a lovely color. Actually, all of the shades in here are beautiful and versatile for people of all skin tones, can wear them. And it's just a great package overall to buy for yourself, or if you want to give as a gift to someone. This is lovely, and the packaging is beautiful. On top of that, these products smell like cinnamon. They smell like a bakery. I want cinnamon buns all of a sudden. It's so, so amazing. They smell awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Becca and Chrissy for creating this. This is actually really, really nice. I love it. And that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!